comparative study of solids, liquids and gases in detail. Please go through that table, make a note of it so that the concept will be understood more easily. There are concepts like interparticle space, how the particles are arranged in solid, liquid and gases. Then the second one is interparticle attraction between the atoms. So how is the strength of each and every particles that are contained in solid, liquids and gases. The third one, energy possessed by particles. In solid, since the molecules are attached very close to each other, the kinetic energy between them is least. As compared to liquid, since the molecules have some amount of space in between them, the kinetic energy is large. Again, comparison with gas molecules, since they are very free to move around, they have the large kinetic energy. Now, what do you mean by this kinetic energy? It's a simple thing. Since the particles are free to move, they collide with each other. When they collide with each other, they possess energy. The internal energy will be possessed. Therefore, kinetic energy is obtained more in gases. When compared to gas, the second position goes to liquid and the third goes to solid, because solids have the least kinetic energy possessed by it, right? Hope you all understood that concept. Next, moving on to our concept, interconversion of matter. Interconversion of matter. Yes. Now, what is interconversion of matter? Very simple concept. The change of state of matter from one state to another state and coming back to its same state is called as interconversion of matter. For example, water. Water is in liquid state. When I freeze it, it turns into ice, which is solid. When I go heat it, I get back into liquid again, right? But when I heat it more, up to 100 degrees Celsius, it starts evaporating. That is, it turns into gas. Alright, when I cool it down, I get back into water. So there are certain things, there are certain conditions for this to happen, and there are certain things that involves for this to happen. Alright, the conditions are change in pressure, change in temperature, etc. The things revolving around are shown on your screen right now. Just go through that. The first one, melting. Second one, vaporization. Third one, liquefaction. Fourth one, solidification. Fifth one, sublimation. Alright, in detail, melting is nothing but conversion of solid into a liquid on heating. Example, ice to water. Vaporization, conversion of liquid into vapor on heating. Example, water to water vapor. Liquefaction or condensation, conversion of vapor into a liquid. Example, water vapor to water. Solidification, when you convert liquid into solid, is called as solidification. Example, water to ice. Sublimation, conversion of solid directly into gases. And here you don't change the state to liquid. You change the solid directly to gas, and this is called sublimation. Hope you understood what are different terms involved in interconversion of matter. Now, if you want to go through the topic again, just go back to the table, pause the video, and take a note of it, because this table is very important. So, this part of the video ends here. I'll just meet you all in the next part of the video and we'll talk about other things that involve in matter. Thank you.